Hello and welcome to another watercolor tutorial with the Artistic Pair. My name is Mel. We are going to be watercoloring and drawing a bunny rabbit in today's tutorial. As you can see here, I've just started off drawing the bunny rabbit. You can either follow along with me and copy from the screen, or you can find a reference image from Google and go from there. When you are drawing, it's important to keep in mind your shapes. So just imagine the different shapes that make up what you're drawing, and hopefully that little trick will help. Otherwise, it just takes a lot of practice and a lot of drawing from reference when you first start. So here I'll just start off with the head, which is just basically two oval shapes, both going in different directions. And then I'm just drawing the body, which is a half circle. And then I'll be working on the feet on the bottom, which are just two more little circles, and then the ears, which are just two long ovals with another two long ovals in the middle. So I'm just going to speed up the process here, and then I will shall be back for the watercoloring section. So I've just got out my number 3 brush by Paleta Bright, which I've done a review on. Please go check that out. And I'm just grabbing some water, and then I'm going to grab some blue watercolor paint. And what I'm going to do here is just a blue wash over the pencil drawing that I just did, so that when we complete the painting you won't be able to see the pencil marks very much, and plus this will act as a background. So sometimes you may choose to do the background after, however it's easy if you do the background before, and then that way you won't have any little funny white bits in between your background and your main focus of your picture. Now I've just grabbed out some washi tape just to tape my paper down a little bit. You could choose to use watercolor tape if you prefer, however I just prefer to use washi tape. So if you're new to this channel, please do hit the subscribe button. I am currently working on a watercolor tutorial series at the moment. However, I will be designing other art tutorials as well, as I hope this channel will come to your place for art tutorials. Please also do hit the like button so that I know to make more of this type of content. So I've just grabbed my clean brush again, and I've just grabbed some brown watercolor paint, and I'm just doing the outline of the bunny rabbit. So I'm just now starting to fill in the bunny rabbit with the brown. I'm just doing a basic shading here, not really focusing too much on dark and light areas. Now I'm just starting on the grass, just using some simple up and down strokes, just trying to really work that tip of my brush. And now I'm just working on the ears with a pink and just focusing a bit on the shading. So just really trying to focus in on the darker light areas, and I can do this by wetting my brush a little bit more to make the paint a little bit lighter or darker as I please. So just working on the nose now, and just doing a sort of little oblong shape in the middle and just going lighter to darker. So I'm just starting off with a bit of a brown here, just to working some shading over the top of this browny red, and just trying to focus it again on the darker lighter areas as I would see them. So I'm just working on the nose again, just trying to work on the shading of the nose like I've done with the rest of the body, and I'm just using a bright red. And just grabbing a black to start on the eyes. And just drawing the eyelashes and fixing up the shadings with some simple strokes onto the grass. And here I'm just drawing in a little bit of the white parts just around the mouth, just using a bit of white paint. And just going back in here to finish off the grass, adding some darker and lighter pieces. Now I'm just going in to finish off the shading in the ears, just using a bit of a darker red and pinkish colour. Just going back in to finish off the white part of the mouth now that it's a little bit dried, so I can make that white a little bit more prominent so that the brown doesn't show through. And just adding some white dots over the black for the eyes now that the black parts are dry. When you do your top base, it's important to remember to let your back base dry first, otherwise your colours will mix and go murky. Now I'm just fixing a bit more shading on the body part, just using some different darker shades of brown. The grass was looking a little bit less full than I like, so I'm just adding some more light and dark pieces of little tiny grass in the middle of the other grasses as So just finishing off these grass bits here. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please do hit the subscribe button if you want to see more art tutorials and art videos. And don't forget to hit the like button so I know to make more of this type of content, and do please leave a comment below of what you'd like to do with watercolors. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.